Beauty break viewers, tribe, as some say in the millennial world. Do we have a tribe? You know, people say that, me and my tribe. It's like the new word for squad.
Is it? Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Break. Today we're going to pay tribute to the website that really started this show.
Amazon.com, we're talking to y'all.
You may have heard of it. It's an up-and-coming startup.
Oh my gosh, it's just like so many people just working so hard to really make that happen over there.
How many people do you think work for Amazon?
Probably like 2 million people.
Anyway, they have this new thing where they have sample boxes. So it's kind of like the mystery box trend, but like not weird dolls.
Are we sure
from someone's basement.
Are we sure that this is like a legit thing that Amazon is cool with?
Yes, our boss actually told us about it.
Our boss,
A
huh?
35-year-old man.
Here's the thing I have to point out. Lily now, she is a beauty girl, a beauty guru. She has her extensions, her eyebrows, a pop of a lip, a very soft sweatshirt. I, on the other hand, am a skincare queen. I like masks.
Where are we going with that?
So anywho, your box is beauty, mine's skincare. That's what I was getting at, but I took a long road.
Okay. I like it when we do these mystery boxes because it feels like Christmas.
Wow.
Hello.
So,
hello, gorgeous.
hello, gorgeous.
We hope you love these products. Find these items and redeem your credit. We get a credit?
I gotta say, Amazon, listen, I do my groceries through you. I got Alexa. I got literally everything you got going on, Prime, etc. This is a new way to hook people. You try a tiny, tiny sample and then you buy it on Amazon.
That's true. Then you don't have to like bulk shoot, bulk buy. Can you tell I work too much? Anyway, yeah. So here's the beauty box by Amazon. It's wrapped in this really nice paper.
Oh, Lily, you
Sorry,
almost
I'm
lost
sorry.
something.
Oh, Christina Aguilera.
Is that empty though? There's nothing inside.
It fell out.
Oh.
Then it would really be like.
Then it would be so on brand for us. Does the
okay,
Google
well,
Era
this
have
is-
a perfume?
What did you?
I've always called her a Google Era. Listen, and I have been a fan of her since the Mickey Mouse Club.
Yeah, it's called Glamex,
Yep.
or is it just Glam with? No, I feel like
Maybe it's like an
X.
XOXO.
Sorry, it was the wrong direction.
It smells like middle school and
Kind of smells like mom perfume.
my grandma.
In the best
Smell
way.
my forehead, which is right where it is.
So sorry.
Here, go for it. My forehead, it's so fragrant.
It's
Honestly,
very fragrant.
it's fragrant. If you're wondering what those notes are you smell, let me read them to you.
Notes?
Star anise. I don't even know what that means.
Caramelized peach.
Mandarin, orange blossom, freesia. Lily of the Valley! And it's only with one O. Heliotrope. Is that something from outer space?
Okay, I appreciate like that there's some samples here, but really a sample floss, like
They ran out of stuff.
like just toss this one in
Also,
just in case.
one-
I do need this though.
Just
so I'm
one,
gonna keep
just
it.
one teeth whitening kit, just to get you hooked.
Okay, we have Moisture Hair Care by Maui. Okay, well this makes a little more sense.
That's
because it's
cool.
like- oh no, it's just shampoo and conditioner though. This is like definitely not. I use so much shampoo.
So,
and
well,
conditioner.
now that you have your weave
I have
as
so
well,
much hair
my
that
gosh.
I need to. This is like less than a hotel gives you.
I know, but supposedly you're only supposed to use little. I think it's lies. Also, I love taking these. I put these in my travel bag and I just leave them in there. So whenever I go somewhere, it's just like ready, set,
Well,
go.
good thing if that's not enough, we have another brand that you can try right after.
That looks bigger.
See, I don't like switching products this much. So, how much was this?
$9.99.
Oh!
$9.99. Okay, so I guess if you were like, I want to try out some new stuff and just didn't really want to take the time to pick any of it.
But look
then
what's
this
on the
would be
back
good.
of that. A coop. And it's a
Save
good coop.
$2.
$2 off? Damn. Can
For
you
your
use
face.
coops on Amazon? Why would Amazon send you a coop if you couldn't use the coop, you know?
But this is a manufacturer's coupon.
So coupons for
It's not a
manufacturers.
distributor's coupon.
Literally, you're speaking my love language right now. Wow, what a flood. Somebody's having trouble.
So much hydration.
Wow, hope it doesn't come out too fast.
That's what she said.
That was neat. Can't wait to
Rub
get...
that in and give me a hand
Sure,
massage.
I learned how to do hand massages and when I was at the Lush store.
No.
That's not what you learned.
This is not what now.
Oh, I'm so sorry. It's beauty is pain, you know?
This actually smells really good.
It does.
Garnier.
Is it Fructis?
It's going to be Fructis.
I love Fructis.
Okay, well now I'm really...
Okay, let me read this to you while you massage your own self. This is a L'Oreal Renew and Revive, a blushed rosy tone from within. Do you have rosy skin? You kind of do.
Yeah, I have underlying rosacea.
So this is for mature, dull skin.
I'm pretty mature and
Where would you
dull.
like me to put this? It only takes 4 weeks for you to look better.
So we'll definitely be able to tell from this very small packet.
Oh, it's coming out and it's a nice color. Ooh, I like the color. It's very satisfying. I think this is meant for your face, but details. All right. I only am going to use my pinky on this one. Ooh,
Oh, this is
this is
thick.
thick
2 C's.
with 2 C's. All right, so this is pretty cool.
Now that we've moisturized both of my hands with face masks. They're not masks, they're just moisturizers, whatever. Are
This
we
is
done
the
with
last.
beauty
No,
box?
this is the last thing, and that's a full size. So this is probably worth $9 by itself.
Hydrates to improve elasticity and firm skin for a lifted look. Smooths the line of... I mean, I have fine lines,
You should pop some of that on your
but
face.
it doesn't work instantly, so I feel like that's not going to be that fun to show.
We'll take
I'll
it
just
home
bring
and
it
try
home
it
and
out.
use it later.
Okay, well, Lily doesn't end there.
Skincare queen!
Skincare
Let's
queen
see her
starter box
woot.
too.
Can we talk about how I feel like that could have also been labeled the skincare box? Because that's pretty much all it was.
There was no makeup inside.
There's perfume and one teeth cleaning
Well, you know
strip
what's funny,
and
Lily?
some floss.
Let me just point this out. Looks like we can twin it up. Each of us got one.
Oh my goodness.
One-
Are there other duplicates inside?
One single teeth whitening strip. I'm actually excited
So you
about
could
it.
just do, now you could have both and do the top and the bottom.
Okay, I don't want you to be jealous, but I could already tell my box is better than yours. Because my samples are like truffle size in actual containers, which is bad for the environment. But I also got
White Lip
lotion.
Body spray.
Aqua. Oh my gosh! Spray it on me. I've been trying to buy this, and they only sell it on Amazon. They don't even sell it at CVS yet. Because I love
It
CVS.
immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Easy to apply.
This is like really literally brand new on the market. Everybody is saying that this Aquaphor, because you know Aquaphor, when you get it out of the tub, it's like, what do I do with this?
What?
They've now turned it into a spray so that it's
I didn't
like,
know people use Aquaphor like on their bodies though.
well, my
I use
sister,
it, it's like Vaseline. You put
my
like on your lips or in your nose or.
you can lube your whole body up with it, but that's why no one does it because it's too hard. This stuff's awesome. And it smells like nothing, which I like.
So I mean, again, I don't really know why you couldn't just buy the full versions of all of these, but I guess this is like if you really didn't want to know what you had to buy, this is like a good reminder.
This is more of like a surprise, like a $9.99 surprise. Like if you don't have any friends and on the weekend you want to like be friends with yourself, you could surprise yourself with a box like this.
Okay.
All right, we got another lotion from Nivea, some black vanilla shampoo and conditioner, orange blossom shower creme. Get excited. As soon as we're done on our, gal date doing this, we can floss each other's teeth because I got floss too.
Can't wait.
Can't wait either.
That feels like a really weird thing to give a sample of. It's like, I don't
Ooh.
know if I'm gonna like this floss or not. Isn't all floss pretty much the same?
I feel like it's pretty standard. Schwarzkopf. This stuff's expensive AF.
What did you just say?
Schwarzkopf. Schwarzkopf.
With liquid keratin, so it'd be good to repair my hair. But I guess I just don't like travel-sized bottles. I feel like they're really hard to get everything out of.
100%, but that's a part of the trickery. It makes you want to buy more to see what's up. We get you. Corporate America. Also, we got some cleansing facial wipes and some cleansing towelettes.
Totally different.
Totally different things. And lastly, I've actually bought this brand. It's very expensive as far as drugstore brands go, but it's supposed to be really good. Rock.
It just feels like I would like a little more variety of the products.
And this is
They're not bad products.
No.
They're all great, but they're pretty standard, and I don't need 3 different kinds of lotion.
This is good when you travel, I guess, and you just pop something. It's so little. Can you read it?
Like this.
Do you have a monocle?
This is tiny. This is not good for travel. This is like, oh, like, do you want to moisturize this square inch of your body? Here you go.
Maybe it's for children.
At risk of being called very negative, I think these are kind of dumb, and I don't see the point.
But they only cost $9.99, and if you want to surprise yourself with a
You're only
gift,
getting, like, yeah, they only cost $19.99 because that's what they're worth.
think how much fun you'll have washing your own hair.
And creating more trash.
I'm really trying to sell this. All right, let me break into song and tell you what I would buy.
That is cool. I would try
This
that.
stuff.
That, I guess, was the one thing that I didn't know that it existed before we opened these.
And 100%, I've literally been trying to find this, and it doesn't exist at my local Beverly Hills CVS. Apparently, people in Bev Hills don't have dry skin like I do. Wow, that was a transformative experience. I feel like a new person.
I feel like my life has definitely changed.
I feel very oiled up.
So lubed. You should definitely subscribe to this channel so you can experience this joy on a weekly basis.
100%.
Daily even. We have 5 shows a week.
Oh, what's your favorite show? You better say this one. This is my favorite show too.
Let us know your favorite show in the comments below, and then what else we should try, and then subscribe and hit the bell and do all the things, guys. Love you! Why do you keep doing
I don't know.
that?
I like
Stop it. Stop.
For more clever style, click that box over on the left to see Cheat Day take on Riverdale themed foods, or click that box over on the right for Beauty Break's special episode all about showering on the go.